So the Samsung Galaxy S11 series is in the news these days, and every day we get some new information related to any of the three phones that are launching next year under the S11 series. We already know how the Samsung Galaxy S11 and S11e look like because the CAD renders of these have already surfaced online. Now if you thought the Samsung Galaxy S11 Plus is just the Galaxy S11 with a bigger screen, then you are wrong. The CAD renders of the Samsung Galaxy S11 Plus have revealed that this is going to be one of the most powerful phones that Samsung has ever launched. It is not only coming with a massive display but also the powerful SoC and an impressive set of cameras. The CAD renders of the Samsung Galaxy S11 Plus reveal that it has a huge camera module on the rear that has not 2, 3 or 4 but 5 cameras in total. All the 5 cameras along with the LED flash and the laser autofocus mechanism are placed in a single module. Apart from the size of the phone, the design of camera module is the only difference between the Galaxy S11 and S11 Plus when you talk about the design. There is the same hole punch display on the front with a single selfie camera, so Samsung did not go for dual selfie cameras on the Plus version as it did with this year's Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. While we don't know the specifications yet, we do know that the display size is around 6.9 inches, which eventually makes it the flagship with the biggest display ever from Samsung. Talking about the rumored specifications, there is a primary 108 megapixel camera on the rear along with a 48 megapixel secondary camera and a 12 megapixel third camera. There is 5x optical zoom and support for 8K video recording. Also, it is almost confirmed that the Samsung Galaxy S11 Plus has a display with 120Hz refresh rate. As for the SoC, there is no doubt that the Samsung Galaxy S11 series will have the Snapdragon 865 or the Exynos 990 SoC. Now comes the fun part. According to ICE Universe, who is a pretty trusted source for all sort of leaks, especially the leaks related to Samsung phones, the CAD renders show a design that is not 100% correct and the actual phone is going to look much better. So that kind of confuses us even more. So what do you think of the design revealed by these CAD renders? Do let me know via the comment section below. I'll catch you in the next one.